Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to discuss about percentage composition. Okay, as we have discussed about the mole concept and numerical related to it, now it is necessary to discuss about the percent composition. Why it is so, students? Because from the word it is clear that it will tell about the percentage composition of a substance. Okay, so basically from mole concept we were dealing with the number of entities present in a given sample. Okay, we are just assuming that 1 mole of a substance is equal to this, or 1 mole of a molecule is equal to this and that. Okay, so here we are getting only the number of entities present in the given sample. Okay, but when it is required to know about the percentage of a particular element in a compound, then it is required to have its percentage composition. So that's why it is necessary to study about the percentage composition. So let us start. Students, basically the page was not came yet, so I will make another lecture, but you have to just basically know what is this heading means. It basically means that how we can calculate the percentage of a element in a compound. Okay, so for this we will take the example. Suppose we are taking water molecule. Okay, we are taking H2O. Okay, and if you have to just know that what are the percentage of hydrogen and oxygen in this entity, that is water, you have to just get a formula from which you can calculate it. Okay, so for this basically the formula is the mass percent of an element. Okay, mass percent of an element is equal to, it is basically equal to what? It is equal to mass of that element upon molar mass of compound into 100. Okay, so it is not very tough. You can assume this, how we can calculate it. So for this you have to have knowledge of some data, or sometimes it is given in your question also. That is, for this you have to basically know about the molar mass of water and about the mass of hydrogen and oxygen. So students, the molar mass of water is basically 18, nearly equal to 18, but exactly it is 18.02 gram. Okay, the molar mass of water. Now after this, students, the molar mass, or you can say better, the mass of hydrogen is 1.008. We assume it as 1 also, and mass of oxygen is 16. Okay, so these are the basic 3 data. Now you have to just put the values and you will get about the percentage of hydrogen and oxygen in the compound, that is water. So for this, what basically you have to do, you have to just keep the formula. So if we are going to calculate the mass percent, let me draw it clearly. If we are going to calculate the mass percent of hydrogen, then for this the formula will be, it is equal to, at top there is mass of that element in the compound. Okay, so the mass of hydrogen in the compound is 2 into 1.008. Okay, now below the formula is molar mass of that compound. Okay, so molar mass of the compound, that is water, is 18.02. okay, and we have to multiply it with 100. So this will be the calculation for the mass percentage of hydrogen and whatever compound or element we are considering. Suppose we are taking carbon dioxide and we have to calculate the percentage of carbon. For that also, the above portion we will write the mass of that element. So as we are considering about carbon, so we will write the mass of the carbon, and below we will write the molar mass of the compound. So the molar mass for carbon dioxide is 44, so we will write 44 into 100. So from here the answer will be basically 11.18%. okay, so students, when anybody asks you that what is the percentage of hydrogen in water, so it is basically 11.18%. okay, and in the similar way you have to calculate the mass of oxygen. So for calculating mass percent of oxygen, what you have to do, you have to just keep above the mass of that element. So as we are calculating about oxygen, so mass of oxygen is 16, and now we have to write the molar mass of the compound. So molar mass of the compound is basically 18.02, and we have to multiply it with 100. okay, and after this the answer will be 88.79. so basically you can see, student, the molar mass, the mass percent of oxygen in water is 88.79%. okay, so in this way you have to calculate the percentage of an element in a compound. okay, whatever the compound is, you have to calculate its percentage in this manner. okay, and why it is necessary? Because sometimes data will be asked that what is the percentage of hydrogen, what is the percentage of, suppose you have any unknown sample. okay, and the first question you would ask is what is the formula or what are its constituents and in what ratio are they present in the given compound. So for known compound also, such information provide a check whether the compound is or the sample is pure or not. Suppose anybody is saying this is pure form of water. okay, and if you will check about its percentage composition, and you will see that there is only 80% of oxygen, so the sample is basically not right, it is not pure. So you can check about this. So thank you, class.